Welcome back to Toga TV, you see me? And we're here with another banger. You understand? So please watch this movie to the very end. I mean to the very end. Watch it to the very end. And comment your best part down in the comment section as usual. You see me? Want to big up a few people. Want to big up Juliet from abroad. She been a support the channel. Big up you, Juliet, you know yourself already, you see me? I want to big up some people, St. Mary, and some, St. Mary, and some big up the whole of this, and big up the whole St. Catherine, you see me? St. Catherine people, they big up on themselves. Big up the whole Jamaica, they support the same, you see me? They are going to do it right, and want to like, share, and subscribe. As I say in the last video, I want to reach to 40k subscribers. So stay tuned, subscribe, share to everybody, make them subscribe, and drop a comment down there. Comment. Alright, before I go in the movie, this time I ask them for a favor. So we've been want a mic. We don't want a mic, we need a mic. So if anybody out there kind enough can contribute to we getting a mic, please do so by contacting the number on the screen so you can get to me, find out what type of mic we need. So big up on yourself. Remember, contact the number on the screen, you can reach out to me, we can get a mic. Big up.
I didn't bathroom so long. Me hungry and I have to leave. Mommy!
Child.
Now why you didn't bathroom so long?
You know if you ask mommy in the bathroom, you want me show you? You want me care go show you?
No, but me hungry.
Where you want to eat? Let's go for a phone there so.
Me not check it time to see how long you got turn in the bathroom.
Check it time and turn your phone upside down.
Me just turn it upside.
Where you want to eat?
Egg and bread with sachets. But egg not in the fridge.
No egg not left in the fridge. And egg short. You know what you do for me? Go down and shop and buy half dozen egg.
What money there?
Buy half dozen egg for me. Thing there. We have bread in the fridge already. And mayonnaise and lettuce with tomato in there. Go down there and tell you this and sell a half dozen egg for me, please. Come.
Alright, so
we can buy juice. You want tea too?
No, juice.
What kind of juice you go buy?
Arizona
no juice. Alright, buy one tropical with the change. Go on and come, child.
Alright.
It's a girly. Good morning.
Girl, if I had me, I go right now. I have to go over there. I have some things to go deal with important business. I want to rush me in right now.
Come big holiday.
Girl, guess what?
What?
My father bringing me to Mystic Mountain. I'm going to go on, the joyride. My father go do one heap of something, girl. I'm going to go buy ice cream. My father just give me money and say, if you got it's a shop, go do me here. Come, it don't look good. Say, I go nowhere.
Who go carry that?
Your father, you never. Oh.
You know some of my father in my life, girl.
Well, girl, that's so. I'm sorry about that, but my pa stand up as a man back at my mother. So right now, my father can
my father be turn up as a woman.
Something like that, I run me like I want a wimp. But I can't talk. No pay that no mind, girl. You know me and your friend. No, we take some picture and send you, girl. Some picture. You know what? Yesterday, my father came and got one arcade. What do you have?
What is an arcade?
What do you have? Game? You never got arcade yet? Then like your father like you gonna know if it's true.
I tell you, I haven't seen my father. Me don't even know how the man look if him man black or him brown.
Oh,
And every time you know that and you keep on a bring
No
it
girl,
up.
sometimes sleep me man cause father supposed to dinner them picnic life man.
Well, me not have none. What father and I feel like? Mother.
Well, big.
The fine you just like come here. Can I style them there?
Here is the egg.
Trish,
Yes.
what happened to you?
Nothing.
What you mean nothing? So why you look so sulky and sad? Who trouble you down the road, Trish?
Nobody no trouble.
Trish, may I talk to you? Who trouble you down the road, child?
Nobody no trouble me.
So what happened to you?
Today holiday, and my friend said she go all over the place with her father.
And?
Then Eva go have ice cream.
And?
My father now come in no way.
Your father don't have no time for you. Your father remember nothing Bowie? Eh? You ever seen him come here and call later and say my daughter come here? For your birthday or no time or nothing or when nothing go on to school or nothing? Only thing you know if you do, Trish, I send money. And money is not all. Because we need time with him and you grow. Every day you get 1 day older.
So why you can't send me down there?
Because he don't have no time for you, Trish. I not even know which part in our world in there. Every time I call him busy, I do something else. I don't know what he's busy doing. He's busier than busy signal. Come, I'll make breakfast for you. Cheer up yourself, man. That's where that. Alright, come. Go on there, house.
Oh God, just want to see my daughter. Me try call him. Though I know she probably don't want to answer right now. Hello? Voicemail. Try again.
Toga, what going?
Yeah, hold on. Hello? Voicemail.
What going, brother?
Me there, bro, my daughter, me a try get to dog. And my baby mother now answer the phone.
Really, bro? This again, Toga? This again, youth? Bro, you can't spend one bag of money and cannot see a youth. Me tired for tell her that, bro. Every day I will get up and spend money, so every month, every other week. Your daughter 13, so 14, brother.
Bro, this is what me say no man, so I start load up the thing.
You have to load you up, brother. Bro, you cannot do that, bro. How you look fit for you spend for one picnic from him born? Before you even born from him she in her belly. You spend. Till the baby reach 13, soon 14 now. I know you can't see that the baby there.
Listen, you know how much time me reach out to her and say, yo, make me daughter come spend a week with me now. Please, no, me don't want me picnic round here and your girl them. Me don't want me picnic, and me I tell her, say, yo, and me alone live. And me alone live, my daughter now. Come here, come see nobody or nobody ill treat her. And me and her out there. If you go road to go road, she still not send her come. And come like she has spite me through me left her.
Brother, what me have to tell her, say them girl are wicked, bro. You can't do that, bro. You need to see a youth. You don't want to see your daughter?
Yeah, bro, I want to see my daughter. See me get up this morning, me even stressed out, and I say, alright, me try call him and see if me can talk to her.
Bro,
Me not get no answer.
Brother,
About 15 times no me call her from morning.
Right now that the girl picking there supposed to know you, bro. Cause you never yet see her and she never yet see you, bro. You need to reach out to your baby mother. You don't know where they live.
I know she did live at one place and say after a storm, me go there look for her and then say nobody no live as her name so again. So they move. So me don't know which part she live.
Brother.
Only thing I'm one time, me didn't even make she call me and ask me about no money. Me send the money go get her.
Brother, you need to reach out to the nearest.
She can't say me not mind me youth, bro.
You need to get the thing sort out, bro. You can't have your daughter till you reach 13, soon 14. And You can't say, bro, all mommy. Mommy know say you have a daughter.
I say, it's true, mommy and I never really have a close relationship. Me never did tell mommy.
Bro, you better know me go tell her first, you know. You better go get the thing sorted out and make mommy know say you have a daughter. Panny way. Mommy need for meet her granddaughter. So get the thing sorted out, bro, and don't make
I did it, man. Just don't tell mommy yet. Me will tell mommy for myself, bro.
Me finna tell mommy. Alright. Yeah, you're one man, you're on your own, you know, bossy. But one thing more I tell her, make mommy find out, say, you have a daughter if you make sure know, bro.
I'll even that. Me want she come down, mommy can say, alright, mommy, see your granddaughter, yeah. Tibi, see your niece, yeah. Me can't even do that because she not give me a chance, bro. Me try reach out to her months now. I just money me I send, and she not even would want to send me to a picture of my daughter to see how my daughter look.
And you still a spend. Boy, you have to sort out your situation here, man, bro. Me run up on the road. Just big up yourself and look up better.
Alright. Father God, I don't even know, God, just please help me out in that situation, Father God, because I see and know, so I love my daughter, even though I never see her to that from she a baby, I don't see her. How much time I travel back and forth and I tell her so I need to see my daughter. I can't see my daughter alone.
Trish, come here again now. You look so sad. Trish,
Yeah.
why you look so sad, baby? What happened to you? Come talk to mommy. What you say? What happened to you?
I just want to have ice cream with my father, because everybody are cold.
Everybody a goat. A holiday. Everybody used to go, Trish. But you that prefer to go with your father? You want me go get ice cream? I may go get ice cream?
Every day I'm with you. Every day, PTA meeting at you. Everything. Sometimes I just want my father.
Trish, listen to me. Don't cry. Your father always busy over the world. I don't know why I'm busy I do. You're no cry about it.
See, other people father busy. One of my friends named Sasha in my class, her father work on a ship. And he come and things for her and he carry her go shopping and then something there when he have time.
Yes, but you can't jealous over other people and then things, Trish. Your father just busy. And he don't have no time for me and you, so me have to be your father and your mother for right now until your father find himself or come back around. Don't make it be a burden to you, Trish.
That's no fear.
Cheer up, I know. But I just time to think sometime. You have to be patient, baby girl. You understand? Just be patient, calm down, and be patient. And anything you want, mommy will get it for you. Alright. If it make you feel better, me go try to reach out to him. Me go call him and put the phone on speaker and say make you talk to him.
No,
Me go try right now.
to try.
Alright, good. See, unavailable. Tell you,
Try
every time
again.
I call him, me no get
Try
him.
again. Sometimes I have bad signal.
Bad signal all the time, Trish.
Yeah, sometimes.
I see you sit down and suck up yourself and miserable of yourself. I try to get to him now to make you feel better. I can't get to him. He unavailable.
No, that's the second call at Dopey. Try one more time, mommy.
Trish,
Try
we not get through
try.
to him. Tell you,
You're being busy. I'm
he
going to call
always too busy. Alright, come here, go downtown, go get your ice cream. I can't go there now and get your ice cream, right?
No, what I want it.
But you nobody want. What you mean you nobody want it? You will love ice cream, so Trish?
My belly hurt me.
Again?
Yeah, I'm going to use the bathroom.
My Father God. What make Trish can't just forget about this a father you will have? This a father you will neglect with so much. Eh? The man never have time for me. I know you're in a picture and he still not have time for you as in daughter. Trish can just get up one day and say, Mommy, I don't want to hear nothing about daddy. Jesus Christ.
Trish, I want to hear Trish. You just want to cry, son. Oh, your mother there, you cry, son. I want to hear. So you cry down your place, son.
Cause everybody I go to their father today. And mommy I got tell me say my father not have time for me. And me tell her if I call him and she only call him 3 times.
So your mother there now?
She get inside.
Maybe I'll talk to her and speak and get you go to your father, man. Because you want to soon
Talk
14
to
and
her. Because I mean I told my father if he carry me go like a friend them go have ice cream.
true, man. Don't talk to her, man. Come on, like you something and cry now.
Yeah, talk to her.
Man, wipe your tears there, man.
She gonna listen to you better.
Come on. Go check her and get her out of my house.
Alright.
Action. Babes, how go on?
One.
Me there, man.
You look so.
When I step in the yard, I thought I see that I crying.
You see her out the door and
Man,
cry?
out the door I cry at her house, oh, you missing your father, you want to look for your father and then sitting like.
Oh God.
We can reach out to you, man, so you can get to know your father. She was soon 14 now, you know.
You know what?
You can build a band, man. You have to reach out to you, man. You have to reach out to you. When me young guy, you know, never had no father like that, you know. Only stepfather I have.
You know, you see a lot of boy there? Me not even want my daughter no way near him. Me no want she have nothing to deal with him or do with him or do both him or around him.
I can't use film fat for your daughter fat. But she's young, you know. Never acting like this, you know. Not work out things, man. Just call him, just reach out to him. I will spend a weekend or so. Just make them build a little band, man. Yeah, bigger. Please, just
That
call him.
boy they no business with me. And he no business with his own daughter. Him busy all over the road. I do what he want to do with himself and who he want to do it with. You know how much time I try to reach out to him? Me no want me youth near him. Me and mother and his father right now. And right now me no want to hear nothing about him.
What do you mean? Not because you just send money come alone. Just try to reach out to make him so watch it, man. You know, about that together. Just be a little band. She is soon 14 now. I think get older now. Waiting to happen to more now.
When she get older now, which she get older every day, she will understand. As she grow and go along and time go along, she will learn and understand the type of father where she have.
Well, me no want to get mixed in it, you know. Because I just stepfather, you know, but you have to just do your right thing as a mother.
Yes,
Just
me do the right thing as a mother. When the time comes.
No, man, just call him and just try.
Try only for time when you're not successful. So I don't feel like try again. And my mother and father for right now, and she will understand that sooner rather than later. No why you're nothing but a dirty boy. You see right now, if I text him and tell him say me short of money or I want some money for go deal with some Trish down at school or to do anything for you. You see how quick he send it. When me call him and tell him say Trish is stressed now and she are worried and she want to spend time with him and see if he respond.
Oh boy.
How much time you try to reach out to him and every time you try to tell him say yo, your time to get close to your youth now, you know, and your youth get big. He no answer, you see me message him sometime and he no respond. But as soon as I send one message you say, me I want report or one book list or something to go deal with, he sort out the money. I don't want to hear nothing about a boy there, man.
Well, be as much as I don't want to get in a neglect, but I want to come in a daughter out there. Because you must still out there boy and so. I tell you. Like, I want to go in there.
Trish, you don't have what, man, give me. What do you mean nothing?
Nothing.
Father just tell me say you're out here so. a ball and a stress out yourself. And Trish, me think we've gone through this already. May I talk about this morning?
Yeah, right, no.
So you stress and I cry about again?
No, cry.
Trish, me try to reach out to your father more than one time, countless several times. And as me say, me want money to do something, he said it. And every time I tell him say you want to spend some time with the money to come pick up you and start treat you and carry you out, he always a send message him and he not respond. And if me call him, he no answer. Me there here for you. So anything you want me, we do it for you. If you want me carry you out downtown, if you want to go anywhere, any little birthday party where your friend have or any little thing what them are doing, you feel like you want to go, tell me, we carry you. Me we go with you and me we hang out and have fun, Trish. Me don't want you to tell yourself about your father. You understand what I say?
But that's what me feel left out. My father not coming for me. All my friends then talk about is their father. Right now, all of my friends their father in their life better than their mother.
Trish, understand this. I know everybody's life will be the same. You understand what I say? Your life are your life. I'm there for you as your mommy. Me try my best and do anything to make you comfortable. Anything you want me will give you. But I don't want you to watch what your friend they have and what for them father can do or what for them mother they do. Me will do my best and try at all times to make sure you're comfortable and you're alright. And stop worry about your father. You grow every day and you're going to get big to understand one day why your father really and truly never want to spend no time around you. You understand?
Yeah, mommy.
Alright, good. I love you. Cheer up yourself. I may go down the road. We'll take a walk. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, soon come.
Brother, what you do over here, sir?
I'm going to check though.
Where you plan to come tell him what I want?
Bro, I tell you, just give me time, no man.
But the time is now, bro.
Explain things.
The time is now. Bro, you have to sort out, bro.
Wow, how many ones so blessed? My two boys there together.
Go on.
Why are we there?
Alright. Toga, do what you have to do. Sort out anything. Mommy,
Alright, bro.
Toga have something I must want to tell him. May I go back on you here?
You know, stay.
No, between you and Toga, man. Between
Alright,
you.
let's do it, bro.
Alright.
Alright.
Soon check you back, mommy.
Alright, make sure. What breeze bring you here, so? Okay, can't be money, cause you're salt. Me not nothing.
No, man, mommy, I know. I don't know how money me come for borrow now.
What?
It's something I've been a ID from you. And I feel like now, the right time now for me to come and tell us that they are gone. You see me? But before me tell her what happened is just that the girl I'm in there at the time, they never like her, so me didn't feel comfortable enough to come and tell her say she is pregnant for me.
Do what?
She is pregnant for me. She's pregnant for me and the baby, she no baby no more. She grow big. She at 13 now.
30? So me have a grandchild that is 13? So God, seriously?
Woman, just listen to me and say I understand from my point of view. You know. Me never know. So me should have come explain to you. At the time me just did young and foolish.
So hold on, you just find out so you did know 13 years ago?
No, me tell you, me know just the fact that you and I never have that mother and bond there. Because you tell me, say, me never did forget her pregnant, you know.
Me tell you that for a long time because the girl crosses. But seriously, Dogger, seriously, eh? You actually breed and she come true and me have a grandchild and you live 13 years? What me do you, sir? You couldn't tell me. So where's she there? Where's she there? How you not bring her to come meet me? Where's she there? What's she name? How's she tan?
She named Shanice.
Okay. Shanice, Shami, and like me.
When she a baby, me always call her Trish. when she a little baby, he call her Trish. So probably that your mother call her now, but what really bother me from what there is me I spend my money and me I take care of her. Me I make sure say if she sick, me send her go a doctor. Me I make sure say if she want clothes, me get her clothes and all of them something there. And she nah make me see my daughter.
So hold on, so from when last you see
her
her?
uncle her come. Don't tell me.
So, me just stunned. You alright?
What going to do?
Why me and my son a reason?
When
My
do?
son a reason.
Girl
Just
give
a-
bun.
Huh?
Girl give bun.
What you know about that?
Because me see him pass on house on this up and blazing fire, I know say it's a man light it. Sometimes you see him see something there,
Uh-huh.
a man get burned.
Uncle, like, honest, give you a little time to talk at. So me I try to explain to my boy. And then,
Right, we can't even go in it right now.
You teach?
My son could
Well,
never thief. You mad?
you realize me there right and so? And you
You
talk.
teach you big, eh?
Come out to this man.
You
Hey,
could
why
have
you have to
gone
go
to-
to the
you can't
worst?
go in
Why
and
you couldn't be
go in and
getting married, eh? Why you couldn't win the lottery,
You just
eh?
always
This
Why
is
it
why-
couldn't be something
that's why me
good?
not come round here. You know. You always want things some negative things about me.
Are you creative by yourself most of the time? Anyway,
I'm a little bit you just dung for
make
me.
sure I no money in my bag, my sister. Do. Make sure I no money in my bag.
Go on
So we
inside.
can't come over here and look for my mother again.
Me never say that.
From a barn, you're just there in my mother house. You can't build somewhere for yourself.
Look here, I can more than build something for myself. I got money. Me just
Brother, go on.
forgive. You go give girl.
No, forgive me. Forgive me, your sister.
Listen, me say. Talk to your son. You need the counseling. Whatsoever you are counseling about, counseling the other way around. Not
You
the.
sure you can't give me something?
Yeah, man.
Go on.
Alright.
As me there say, mommy. It's a case where the baby mother, she don't want to see me see my daughter.
So hold on. What you really do? You worthless like you come in worthless like your father. You have to ask, you know.
You know, you me say, mommy, me give her money every month. Every month, me get paid. Me give her money to take care of my daughter. And all me I ring her phone, me I try text her, for she send me daughter come down here. We even spend a week or me meet my family them. She nah do that.
You sure your daughter? Because me want to know how you are send money and 50,000 a month. You even know her? If she's standing right here, so no, you would know her and she would know you.
Probably they always say family smell blood, you know.
Hey,
So she would not know say me her father.
backside, what is this? Eh? Me really I listen to you, you know. Me I listen, but me not understand. What you mean to say you are send all the money and a minor, but she no want make you see the child? Eh? Come here to meet my granddaughter. How that work?
I mean, for as me say, me think say it's just that because me left her, she no want she use my fat and afraid my daughter. And she didn't even realize that my daughter innocent in the whole situation we are going.
And it's always the children them that suffer, you know. Jesus, me never want this.
But
Oh,
me, as me say, me never want to reach to one point where my daughter didn't even know me. I know
No.
say yo, I'm her father. But me I try to figure out things and then everything will go good.
All right.
I just the one you know say I have a granddaughter and me have a daughter. You know, it's a lot to take on so fast.
How old you say she be again?
She's 13, some 14.
Well, better late than never. So I'm glad you tell me. Although you forget a slap for 13 years, you keep her away from me and you got through this and me could have helped you. I'm there for you, you know.
No, man, no.
We're proud of you, man. Because you never have to go through this on your own. Because plenty man would have run away like you. Me no want to go there with your father, but plenty man would have run away and leave them responsibility or tell the woman for dash her belly. And you stand up as a man. Even more so you stand up as a man on your own. We're proud of you, you know. We're proud of you. But don't ever feel so you can hide them the things from me again. But me have to meet her. And if you have to go to court, you have to go to court and you have rights too.
Slow down, man.
I have to meet my granddaughter.
Me I will get certain things in place. Me I go start here. You understand? So I kind of late for work and all. I just do want to come over here explain certain things to you. So tomorrow me call you and me and you talk.
Yes, make sure you do. Not tomorrow, leave it tonight as soon as you finish work.
Alright then.
Come on, know everything you know about her.
Just look out for my call.
Alright. Jesus Christ.
So go on.
Yeah.
What you say? Talk to your father yet?
No.
No.
Mommy not say nothing to me when you say you have to talk to her. When I tell me that you want, they say you talk to her.
You give me any worries about it.
No say
Take him
nothing to
up
me.
call and make you get talk to your father and he's sitting there. Come like you look for the daytime, you know.
No say nothing to me. And I ask her again. Because every time I ask her, she just tell me one same something. Your father not the time for me and you want this and that.
Every day I see you look stressed, but I like to look too young to too stressed about certain things. But I don't try to talk to her again. And see what go on.
Alright.
So when to up not back?
Next week, Monday.
Oh, okay. If you go to school, man, come on you put a fighting by your brother and make your grades them chop, you know.
No.
Or you go on good in school now.
I just wish you could have just talk to me. Talk to him and make him just make at least one Saturday. At least one Saturday. If she don't want to carry me far. If I even out a gate.
Now I talk to her now. But me come like say you're not really convinced. Or you know, you're not really going and looking at your brain and some style. And smart, you know, somebody say I'm stubborn smartly, you know. But I don't know what make sure your father left, you know, but I don't go down that kind of read my like, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see what I go on differently.
Alright.
Wait,
Wow, babes.
you come in and say out there.
Me and Trish say you're going to reason as usual, you know where you go.
Trish,
Yeah.
for a reason, go again.
Come on.
Tell me say the same thing again.
I don't know what a reason. Just stubborn now, babe.
I'm stubborn with now again.
Tell her to call the girl father, man.
How much time may I go through this? How much time me and Trisha go through this too?
Wait, you're such a little girl, Brina. You don't want to hear in school.
I want to learn at school, but
No,
me call him all the time and I not get you. I leave message on his phone much time and he no respond.
You have to try hard and reach out to him, man, because even when I come and see Trish young, let's say, you know.
Oh, hard me I go try. All Trish father want to do, I want to pan down all over the place with woman. Eh? And send money come. He don't want to be a part of your life, he don't want to be a part of his daughter life. You understand what I say? I don't if he didn't want no picnic. Right now, I'm not even sure if he want a relationship with daughter.
So you know where you live, you know where you locate.
I don't know which part in there all the time I try to reach out to him. I always not catch up with him. And if I call him phone, I don't get him. And if I leave message, he don't respond.
You have to try something, man.
Try something, what me I go do? Gas station, go file one report and tell him say I want help to go search him.
Well, I now tell you what exactly you doing about your mother. Are you there with the daughter? I the father, you know. We can do certain things, you know. You have to get to your father, man, because at least I'll make sure hear from him one time. Just one time I can hear from your father or see your father, man.
I know if you make him see him father don't know where we live. No, him don't know which part we live.
But you have to try, if him not reach out, better you reach out and tell him say yes, well, you be bigger man, then your woman you be bigger man.
Me I call him phone and me not get him, I left message and he not respond. If him a call me phone and he not get me, him a left message and me not respond. Him know which part me and Trish live. Me don't know which part in the world him live, cause in the all over the place like a rolling stone.
Alright, since I call me and get to him, call him now and chat to you.
If you call him, you talk to him?
Yeah.
No, but wait, what kind of man you would have if you call me ex so you talk to him? No, you tell me now how that look.
Set things straight, cause when you have a daughter and her being daughter, what kind of man him be?
And you want to pick up the phone and talk to him to find out what kind of man him be?
Me as a father, you know, I mean, they would be like, you have to go see what go on, man. Call him, go see what go on.
Stepfather, you want to come in your yard go and see what they go on. The ex,
daughter,
the ex.
daughter. Me no respond about what go on with me and you know.
You're not responsible to go on with me and him?
Yeah, me no
you not sound like you're gone out school. You're gone school?
Calming yourself, just calming yourself. See, little girl on the veranda, your daughter, love her as my own. Every day I come here, she just stress out over the same little thing. Just try to call him and try to sort out things. Just call him, let me chat to him and see if I can fix the situation.
You want me to call him for you, see if I can fix the situation?
Like
no why you tell me how you go fix this situation when me now this a dirty boy.
Just call him, I'm gonna try to fix the situation, man.
Me call him. So why you looking at my phone so far?
No, me to look.
Me a call him.
No, me to look, man, me to look.
You tell us me a call him,
Turn there now.
See me tell you in any call, he not answer. I tell you, but you don't want to listen. You know where you take me for.
Boy, me I tell you, see it. You even wait till the phone ring out, you know. Me I want to she, you know what you have to sing for your hour. And I tell you, judge of you, man, you can't live so, man.
Me never wonder if you're gonna answer the phone. Man, come here, tell you, say, me have something to tell you. Yes, my girl. Remember me and you did a talk the other day. And me I tell you something, I pray say one of my boys them make me a grandmother. Like how them reach age now and come out of school and everything and turn big man. Yes, my girl. Which one? Tell me which one. Natoga? Yes. Yes, my dear, I have a granddaughter. Nobody like me, my dear. I have a granddaughter. Yes. No, that's the only thing about it. You know, so nothing never walks straight in my life. Him have her, yes. She's 13. Yes, you hear right, 13. And the dirty girl, me never liked the Jezebel, you know. The dirty girl. Now make me see my grand picnic. But she don't know me or who, you know. Yes, man, him say him want to sort it out. So I gotta give him little time. Yes. Me I give him little time, because him say he want to sort it out for himself. But now go so you know one call. No, me lose 13 years already. Me not lose another year.
I'm going.
Me I forgot. What?
There, what?
Yeah, man. So, you see how you get it sorted out? You talk to me, the grandbaby.
Well, moments, I know. I the same thing I go on night, you know. Same procedure. No change, but I still I try work out something still. You see me? Cause I want to see my daughter and then I like say me sit back. And then I try to do something. This morning I call voicemail. I left a voicemail on the phone. On the call I say, just reach out to me. Please, me I beg you. My mother want to see her, my brother want to see her, my auntie them want to see her.
And her uncle, she have a big family, you know. She don't know, she lose out pan. Oh God, she have a lot of love for get, you know. Still can't believe me as a grandmother. So what you gonna do, man? What you going to do? Because I'm behind you. What you going to do? Because it can't go so.
Well, Me I try make a step in. Cause even one of my brethren tell me about me should have take up with the coat and one bag of women, you know already family come, I like them place there.
Me know. How you got through and thing.
Me not like them place, mommy. If a police business, me not too like it, but me not go and think about it still. If I they say I have to reach, I they say I have to reach.
You keep all of your receipt them? Cause you say you send money.
Yeah, mommy, you know me smart enough to do that. So me have every receipt. When me send you 30, 40, me have every receipt. All day me buy some clothes, me have every single receipt.
So tell me something. Some of the time when you come borrow money and your mom the same way. Are that you borrow money for?
I'm tell you the truth. See, so many times I send her my last. And she show my daughter, me do it. I really like say, me just want to send it so. Show my daughter, me. Me grew up, my father treat my brother and the you one, even though he never make no night pass and me not get a meal. So I see him thing me I do for my daughter. Me no want she go hungry. If I my last money I may have it, me I go make she get it. If I go borrow, me I go make she get it.
As much as me not like the dirty girl, and me not like her even more for what she do. You want me to talk to her woman to woman? Because we lose 13 years already, you know. A long time, that you know. What if one of we did close our eyes before? Can't make no more time pass. Stuck me there behind you, my son. And I just have to say sorry for the times we did rough you up, but we never know what you was going through. Where there's a will, there's a way, and we have to get this sort out, you know. Cause she have a whole line of family and a whole lot of love. She don't even know exists. I can't work.
I get this out of. As me say, I think about what my brethren say. I want to reach this, but if you have to reach this, they say it have to go reach.
Yes, because better, why something have to go be done.
Very good, though, mom.
Yeah, man, we good. Call me grandma. We have to get used to it, man.
Everything's so good, man. But Tibi not there. Tibi not there.
Inside.
You want to talk to him right now, Tina, but him say, me circling back.
Alright.
I mean, chat.
Alright. If anything, phone me here. Alright. Me love you, my son.
Alright, mom.
Grandmother.
Hi.
Hi, Kayla.
Trish there. Come visit Trish.
What do you?
Me come visit Trish. Good afternoon. My father came go America.
Oh, your father can't go America?
Yes. Yes, so Trish they want to Trish tell Trish. Call out Trish.
She don't feel good and she asleep.
Oh.
Me happy for you though.
Me happy too.
So when your father carry you?
Tomorrow we are going, yes, tomorrow we are going America.
That sounds really nice.
Yes, I did want to see Trish. Wake up Trish, man. Because they say me going, me not come back for now. Me not come back for now and she have to see me.
Kayla. You don't want to wake her up. When she sleep, me don't wake her.
No, man, she can't come back and sleep afterwards, man. You must say me now going and I'm a friend.
Don't worry yourself. Calm down, child. But we explain it to her when she wake up. But so like how you go tomorrow, I will stay at our Providence here go. We stay at our Providence here go. Maybe by that, stay like New York, yeah, go off South Carolina. State like how you have parish, America have state.
But my father never tell me that. Me don't know which one, me just know say me I go find the big iron bird. Big iron bird I go find. So Trish father not take her over too.
You know what I'm saying?
Papa we go in the side area, Trish father not take her over.
Me don't know why I'm doing now. A long time I want to see him.
Trish did say father travel. Somebody said if father camp on big bird too.
Yeah, if father travel, but if a big bird, I'm not sure when or how. But it's quite possible.
Oh, anyway, we can't stay too long. My father buy 2 big suitcases. We have to go and go pack up them.
Alright, sir.
Bye-bye.
Alright, take care of yourself. Do we tell Trish for you when
Tell
she wake
Trish,
up?
yes, tell Trish that my father bringing me overseas.
Alright,
don't
then
forget the
have her
father
contact
part
number.
here. Eh?
You have her contact number, right?
Yeah, man.
So you
Yeah,
can
man.
text her on the app. Bye. Safe travel, Panny Gravel. Nice, lovely young lady. It's a dirty boy when me have if me pick me up. I'm not even know which part in the world crosses boy there.
Me, the excitement from here, somebody talk loud about iron bird. It is an iron bird.
So make your clothes look like that.
Can you drop off for me? Like me I lose weight.
Cause you stress out yourself too much. Anyway, I want my friend to come check me. And she want me week to borrow. I'm not letting no girl me week. So I tell her something can't do that. And she like go and do that herself. So I tell her to go on her yard.
So what is iron bird?
Iron bird plane. Like what people fly upon, go foreign. Yeah. One plane. That's what they call it.
So she go from plane?
So she go on one plane tomorrow.
So my father go on already?
Yeah, your father travel most of the time. He need a farm work one time. I'm not sure if he still do that now.
So you go carry me go on him?
You can't just carry yourself. You go take time, Trish. But you know what happened? I don't even know if your father think about or what you want to do in our life. But hopefully everything will work out alright. And you will get to travel upon one day. Right? And me go make that happen.
Alright.
Don't worry about nothing. I'm sorry if you wake up here. Go back in the later?
Yeah.
Alright, me I go down the road and go check somebody about something.
Which way I go exactly?
Me I go down the red ground.
Oh, alright. See you
Soon come
travel.
back.
Yeah.
Hello. Come here, 1 second. Come here. Want to talk to you. Come here. Come out and son. I name Chelsea.
You tap me, sorry if you ask me say if I'm name Chelsea, what you want?
No, you want me?
Me I go on my business and you stop me, what you want?
No, you want me brother, baby mother. No, you name Chelsea.
Yes, I Chelsea my name.
You don't remember me? Tibi me name, you know. You don't remember me?
Oh, are you name TB? I am a baby father brother.
Yeah.
Oh, so what now?
So,
You stop me.
why have me niece as hostage? No want him father if you look for her.
Hold on,
or
wait,
see her.
wait, hold on. First of all, me and you no conversation. If you want to talk to me about something, say you want to reason with me about something. You stop me on the road and attack me. Okay, let me start off that way since I saw you want to start off. What you mean me have my daughter as hostage? I know my daughter.
I told the daughter.
So what you say then?
Both you and me brother, but you don't want the baby if you go look for him father. You think he fair enough for me niece to run you one and can't they run him father for me we know. More know my niece now and my mother want know him granddaughter.
Hold on. Me know say your mother want know your granddaughter and you want to get to know your niece. Your brother tell you what make with daughter now come amongst in family them.
When I tell me say I don't know how pertaining to what you want to try to tell me say cause you see say man I do it right. Even what here, I go link him, you see me call you and you decline the man call.
Hold on. You see your brother call me and me a decline the call. So you see your brother they call me and you say me they decline the call them?
You they decline cause man call you 2 times and you hang up on him.
Listen to yourself what you make your mouth say. You see your brother they call me and you see me they decline the call
On
them.
his phone.
Okay, well phone a man made something and if your brother call me I no get through to me. And you have to do a retry. Your brother know which part me live, don't it?
After I storm, you know, the man go down a place, you know, and I see, you know, and see it since you reach, yes, so. I just tell him now, since you move, come, yes, so. You know, try to reach out to my brother and make my brother know, say, you see it?
Hold on. So if I try to reach out to your brother send money if you take care of your niece.
That's
why I try to tell you so you can't listen to your brother's side of the story alone. You don't know the reason why your brother don't know where me live. Every time I call him, I don't get him. I send him message, he no answer.
Send him message. What kind of message? Cause you go through everything now and see. If I no money, you know, reach out to my brother. What kind of message are they send?
You don't say. So you stop me on the road for arguing about my relationship with your
No,
brother?
me not argue. Me just want to know. Me hear some. I hear alone. Me hear some niece. Only thing me know about me niece, me hear some of 13 to 14. Me need to see her. Leave her picture me not see with me niece.
Okay. Well, me not need to no argument with you. Or no long talking with you about for me and your brother relationship.
But uno not there. Uno not there, you know. What I want you to do is uno to come together and co-parent with the child. You can have the child this week. The brother can have the child next week. Uno need to come. Uno need to fix that, you know. Cause which my mother is say my brother have daughter in the streets, and me no know about that. My mother never know about that, you know. And my mother head trip. You know how close I live to it. And the man even know say I say it.
I don't live here. I don't live here. Because visit somebody and that are not for your business neither. Since you want your allegation and make assumption. Don't ask me anything. Me don't owe you no obligation, Tibi. Me not owe you nothing.
But I want to see my niece. And
yeah, you want to see your niece. When your brother ready for work out, he will know in youth. And the whole on the way get to know. When you know ready for know. When the time come, we cross a big day.
Oh, Jesus Christ, youth. The girl I go on till he get out of hand, you know. You think my mother, I want easy woman. She can't say me never want her, you know. Make she go on.
Oh my God, I don't know how much of this work can manage, you know. All this time, me deprive me daughter of his seeing father. All because me get to hate him, man. Other day me all call and I ring no man, you know, call and I message from the people on phone. So because my daughter stress out and want to get to hear him, get him father for one phone call. Right now, I know I no right to deprive me youth of his seeing father. Regardless of what me and him go through, she should not deserve it. Me have to go try to fix things and make things right. Because it's unfair to me youth. Trish! Trish!
Yeah?
Come here, I want to talk to you about something there.
Yeah?
So guys, come over here, so I want to look for you and talk to you. Come. May I have good news and bad news. Which one you want first?
Daddy call?
Yes, in call.
May I go look for him?
I want to talk to you about something first. I don't want to get to that yet. Because when I go say to you, go upset you. No might upset you, I go upset you.
What happened, mommy?
You have to repeat me and I know you.
What happened?
I want to talk to you about me and your father's situation and why your father is not a part of your life.
Why?
Me and your father have differences back in the past.
But mommy tell me that already. Why you go tell me that again for? What happened?
Listen, stop. I want you to listen to me because you grow big and I know you have understanding.
Yeah, but mommy.
Shh, quiet, now you listen to me, let me explain. You listen? Alright. When my father did involve, he cheat for me. And he break up with me and left me to a woman who have money. And the woman help him and I take care of him and for nothing if he get about me. I find out long after I'm pregnant with you. And because I want to treat me because I want a woman who have things, I never want to have nothing to do with him. I get to hate him because I find him that I come from and he put she over me. You understand what I say to you?
Mama, I don't understand why through that he not come look for me.
Trish, your father don't come look for you because long after I find out I'm pregnant with you and assume say you're film pitney.
So, my father?
Yes, he is your father, but me withheld that from him and me never want to talk to him. Me never want to no conversation with him. And even when I try to reach out to you sometime, me tell him say you're not there or me deprive you to talk to him on the phone some of the time when I ask me to call him.
Why, mommy?
Because me never like him, me hate him.
Because he break up with and they with somebody else.
Because in there with
Mommy,
somebody
that's
else
not
and
fair.
cheat for me and then break up with me.
Yes,
so me never
ma'am.
like him. But with you in the middle and you don't have anything to do with it, you are innocent. You're innocent and me not
So
gonna
mommy,
hide it. Me
and
not
now
want-
you just know that
Me not-
13 years. Yes, what did I say to you say? My friend, father carry her go ice cream and Mr. Mountain. And you don't even call him real number. It's a fake number you did call.
No, me never call him.
Mommy,
Me left all message and I rang people, I rang phone me left. Me message pan a people phone, wrong number. Cause which me get upset with your father so bad that me not like him and I want nothing with him. And me never want you have nothing to do with him neither. But when me think about it, you get big and you need to know your father. You deserve to know your real father. And
unfair.
he's supposed to be a part of your life. And so me think about it and me know say I wrong me I do. And me I go try my best to fix things between me and you and try to see if me can get your father.
So
to build a
mommy, one
relationship
question
with
more.
you.
My father wants to see me, I know, and see me.
Your father wants to see you.
All along.
He wants to see you and he wants to be a part of your life.
So we are weird partner.
We now wait for nothing, Trish, but me want you to understand why you're not able to see your father. Remember, say we have to move, we relocate from where we did live. So probably go check for where we not did it. And
So
me not call it,
so we there right here, so.
me I go try to get in contact with your father so you can get to build a relationship with him, Trish. But me have to be honest with you and tell you as a mother, because me love you as my daughter and you deserve to know the truth. I was the one depriving you of seeing your father and talking to him.
You know, me just understand, me just like me in my head. 13 years. You sit down and you lie and you lie and you lie and you lie and you lie.
Yes, my life will protect me and you.
No, mommy,
Because at the end of the day, me never even sure if he want to be a part of your life. Because when me tell him say me pregnant, he not even act as if he care.
Well, you all know the truth. You lie for yourself, you never lie for it too.
Well, yes, I'm lie to you too. I mean, accept that. So I'm wrong as a mother, but more if you understand as a daughter, so I try to be honest with you now and I go fix things. But on top of that, I have something else to say to you again, and more bad news. Kayla did come look for you. And he went want to see you, but you were sleeping, and I tell Kayla, so I'm not waking you up. Our father
So, mommy,
got foreign.
You mean to tell me, say, you lied to me about my father, my friend can't look for me and even tell me. The only friend me have.
Your friend called look for you, Trish, but you were sleeping.
You could have wake me up.
Kayla father Kara got foreign. And the way she come over here and excited, me did feel bad in myself because me don't have nothing to do with your father. I never know which part in the world in there if you have a care in the world for you. So I never want to come wake up you and tell you and you go break down over it.
You see right now, I don't really want to hear nothing more. I just want to see my father.
Me
Let me go see
understand.
the father now.
Me understand.
Yeah, I don't want to hear nothing more. Come now.
Come now where we going, Trish.
To my father. You know saying contact you.
Trish, me tell us me try to contact him back. Me will try to contact him back now and see if we can find where he is and invite him to come see you because he does not know where we live.
So he no have no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, nothing?
Yes.
Just him one?
No, Trish.
So you don't know which part they live?
Me know which part one of brother live and his mother.
So come.
So oh yes, me can tell you go over there in yard, you know where they live. Hopefully somebody there home and then we invite me in their home. And
Yeah,
we introduce
come.
you to them, make them get to know you.
No, Trish,
Trish, calm down. I'm going to take you. But I don't know where your father is because he's gone and left me in the all over the place. When I start to contact him, tell him that you want to see him and invite him. I will go over in mother yard where his brother live.
Alright, come.
Good. You forgive me?
No.
Welcome. Oi. Oh, that's so.
Chelsea, you can come.
What's here? Come.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm giving God thanks.
Me come to talk to you about something. And me I hope at the same time say me can reach Toga. If he's not here, you can get to him for me.
Easy.
The urgent.
Uh-huh.
This is Trish. This is your granddaughter's Tugger's child.
Hello, darling. I'm your grandmother. I'm your grandmother.
How my father there?
Him round the back. Tugger! Tugger! Come on, Jesus! Oh, God. God, you're good to me, too good. Tugger!
Where do we Chelsea? Which
Tugger.
family daughter there?
Tugger, good afternoon. This is your daughter Trish. Trish, this is your father Tugger.
Jesus. Hallelujah, Jesus. God, you're good till you're too good.
I see my daughter big.
Oh, Lord.
Tugger. Tugger.
Look how my daughter big and nice. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
And you know, see how she feel
Me
for
your father here.
Lord God.
Jesus.
Oh, you shake it that time, man. Who got
me try get your mother.
Tugger.
Every day me call your mother, every birthday me call your mother, me try reach out to your mother decline me call them.
Tugger.
All after I start me come round the yard, come look for you.
The house did my son. So
And then say you no gone and me no know where you there.
So if I hurricane you come and mash up house, come look for it, Tugger?
Me come round there. And me a call you only time you message me when she want money.
Anyway, Tugger.
That's the only time. Me
Show me.
can't believe.
Let talk to you.
my friend gone on the iron bird and
Look,
mommy
me can't
say
talk to
you
Tugger.
always go on the iron bird. So you
Yeah,
talk
me,
on
me a carry you go everywhere with me. Jesus Christ.
Listen.
And your grandmother this year?
Yeah, me talk.
What a way she favor Auntie Monica.
She have
Oh
me head.
God.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus. Me, oh God.
Thank you. Thank you,
Oh,
Father
God.
God.
Anyway, me Charmaine, me want make come to make
You have to live for over here with me for stay for the rest
say
of the
your
day.
granddaughter, and between me and you, as parent, me really want to apologize to you because me deprive you of meeting your granddaughter all these years because Tugger cheat on me and left me for one woman with money. And
That's
me
still
never tell him,
that's
and me
still
never
not
tell
say.
him say me the pregnant. When me find out I'm pregnant, me try to reach out to him until me get a hold of him
Just
and he want
true.
help me with money for
Just
the baby.
true, she hate me, you know. Just true, she hate me. She a use because she hate me. Me can't see me out.
Alright.
Me not 8 years, me never, me would come
Why-
over
why-
here at all.
Why
I'm not do the same,
you
you
name me see me out then?
We do the right thing now so you can calm
That I
down and
know
listen.
over 13 years.
Calm down and listen because I never have to do it.
Me know.
Me do it because you have the right as a father to be a part of your child life and him have the right to know your uncle and grandmother and his family them that are still alive and you're supposed to thank me for that. Because you cheat on me and left me for one woman who have things and never me cheat on you and left you. But did they fear when you never have nothing, Tugger? You can at least
you
give
see
me props
that
for
now?
that.
That are the past. Say future now. My daughter, I'm going to make things right for you now.
Yeah,
You
leave
can
me.
spend some
understand?
time with your father and your grandmother.
Alright, later.
We reach to the end of the movie. People know say it's kind of touching story. But comment the best part down in the comment section. As I said before in the intro, if you can reach out to me, that you can give me a mic, I really appreciate it. No matter how small that is, man. If me can make a mucker, as I say, you put it together so we can fix up and make some happen. You see me? So we need a mic. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment the honest part down in the comment section.